I think adding this lip color took the look from I love it, I'd wear it any day to I look like the Joker, I'd never leave the house with that. Hi everyone, welcome back to Linda Libra Loca. Today is another installment of the Inspired By series. I know I don't do them as often as I used to, but yeah, they're a lot of work, and to be honest, I don't find many promo pictures of the last collections extremely inspiring. Common problem, especially in spring, because I'm absolutely not into these pinks and pastels and all that. So I decided that I'd settle for the Chanel Spring Summer 2018 collection, which is dedicated to Neapolis, the new city. And yeah, it's a gorgeous dark greenish smoky eye with an orange lip. So yeah, green is a little outside my comfort zone, but that's what these makeups are all about. And I'm going to see what I can do and start by doing my base. I'm using the L'Oréal Perfect Match foundation in the color 1.5 Linen. And yeah, I'm just going to speed you through this because that's really not the interesting part. The coverage of this foundation is medium to buildable full coverage, and the model skin, she has some freckles shining through, looks, yeah, just like she's wearing nothing at all, but I can't do this with my acne spots, but opt for a light to medium coverage. Now I'm going to go in with some concealer, and I'm using one by Sephora, the high coverage concealer, just to brighten this area underneath my eye. I'm going to do this first and not take it up all the way to my eye because the smokiness goes down really deep and I don't want to do my concealer afterwards, so I don't want to mess up the shadow I'm going to put underneath. Okay, the brows, they look really, I'm sorry if I keep looking down there, but this is where I have the promo picture. They look really natural and full and piecey, so I'm using a pencil to fill them in. And yeah, just use the pencil where I have some sparseness, where I need them to be fuller, and do little tiny brush strokes. And this is just a random pencil, I think it's by Essence. And then Alverde brow gel, only can get it at DM. It's a natural brand, it's the cheapest chips. It's amazing. This is a tinted version, and I'm going to brush my brow hair up for that full feathery brow look. For the eyes, it's green around the eyes and then smokes out to brown. So I'm starting with a Sephora colorful shadow and liner, which is a goldenish khaki. It's called Khaki, I think. What's it called? Khaki, yeah. And just map out the shape that I want my eyes to be. And these do set pretty quickly, so I'll make sure to go in and blend and then continue working. And as my eyes tend to sink in a little now with age, so I need to see where the shadow needs to be when I have my eyes open and looking to the camera. And then, sorry, I have to grab my mirror. Just dot out where I want the shape to be because it looks completely different once I close my eyes. So around here. A little bit rounded and pretty far in. And as you can see, when I now look down, there is a whole lid space that needs to be covered. I think this is what they call hidden beauty of age, this hidden part of skin. The same thing as a mirror, down underneath the eyes. And to be honest, I'm just going to see where my eye bags and color them in. Never thought that I'd use them as a makeup guidance. Okay, that's the eyes done. And to set that, I'm going to go in with powder. One I have here is a dark Indulgence. It's a Mineralize eyeshadow by MAC. And it's just black and green. So I'm going to dust that up here on kind of like the upper part of the mobile lid. And it darkens everything and adds more green, even though I think the Khaki itself looked way better. The upper part, I'm going to go in with a matte brown, and this one is called Cross Cultural. It's a limited edition by MAC, but yeah, just a matte brown, and go out and yeah, just blend. I wonder what in Naples inspired these looks. I'm going to take the brown underneath my eyes as well. And then she uses just a grass green eyeliner inside, and I don't have one. Okay, what I ended up doing now is taking this one. This is a Swimming by MAC. Okay, this is Swimming by MAC. And just put it on the outside of my inner waterline. I'm wearing contacts, so I hope I won't be blind in a few seconds. Yeah, this gives at least a pop of green color. Now mascara. This one is by Lacura, which is Aldi again. I'm using a lot of affordable stuff to recreate this look. And now for the lip. Bright orange lipstick. I think I need to line my lips for that, and I'm using an invisible liner by Essence. Otherwise, these lipsticks, these bright lipsticks, have a tendency to bleed into my lip lines. I am 39 after all. And then I'm using, this one is by Clinique. It's a Clinique Chubby Stick in Heftiest Hibiscus. And it's a lovely orangey hibiscus red. Okay, and that's the lipstick. The lipstick really screams summer to me, but I don't think I pair it with this look. So yeah, the posing is pretty easy, I guess. Take me to Napoli and give me some mascara.